Hey guys, how to enable secret zone for volume control on this Galaxy Buds2 Pro? Let's find out, but first don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, first of all, make sure that your earbuds are connected to the phone and that the Galaxy wearable app is downloaded. Now go to this app and in the settings scroll down, find earbuds settings, press there, and then find the labs section. This section contains experimental features that can improve your earbuds experience. Enable the double tap earbud H, just like this. But to use this function properly, you need to go back in settings, find touch controls, press here, and turn off double tap for playing next track. Here. This function allows you to control the volume by double tapping the edge of the earpiece, where the touch-sensitive surface is located, to increase or decrease the volume. Once enabled, try double tapping on the edge of your Galaxy Buds2 Pro while playing music or other audio activities. So I put in my earplugs and I'm gonna demonstrate to you now how it works. So I'm gonna tap twice on the right earpiece. And as you can see, the volume increases. And if I tap twice on my left earpiece, the volume will decrease. Also, if you think that sensitivity or functionality of this secret area needs customization, you can explore additional settings in the lab section as well. That's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.